Hey there, welcome to another tutorial from Curateit. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can download images using the Curateit extension. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, as you can see, I am doing some research about the Mughal Empire, and right now I am on the Wikipedia page. Now, as and when I keep researching, I do come across some images that will be useful for me to curate and keep it for later. So, here's how I do it by using the curated extension in such an easy manner. All you need to do is first go to the Chrome Web Store and download the curated extension. The link will be in the description, so don't forget to check it out. I already have the extension on my Chrome browser, so I'm going to skip the step and go to the next one. Now, as you can see, I have some images here, and let's say I wish to download this image. Now, instead of wasting time by right clicking on it, save and save image, all I can do when you have the curated extension is simply click on this downwards arrow, and this will simply download your image from anywhere on the web. Let me show you for the next one as well. So here I can simply download and it will get added to my desktop. Alright, now let's say you wish to add the image into your collection. It's fairly simple. Simply hover on the image that you wish to save and click on the Save Image button. Create a new collection, let's say Research on Mughal, and hit Enter and Save to Collection. Now, what this does is it will add it to the collection that you just created, which makes it even easier to now import images into collections and share it with a closed knit study group, research group, or even publicly and SEO optimize it. As you can see, I wish to add this as well, and there you go. It's already added into my collection. Alright, so now let me go to my collection, refresh your page. I'll search for my collection, and there you go. As you can see, the images have been added to this collection. Isn't that easy? Alright, do check out the downloading and saving image features of Curateit, and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time and save a lot of time by simply using the Curateit extension. Alright, have a great and productive day ahead. Bye bye.